So yeah, as I said, this is a rough, rugged and raw video. Got some weird camera angles. I apologise. I'm going with minimum equipment, but I am carrying my GH4 today, so as I said, this is going to be a completely different video and different style of video than I've done. You know, a lot of bush porn. It's going to be a little bit jittery. I apologise, but Kia ora folks, how to be your local Bushman here. Kia ora folks, RDB, your local Bushman here. Today what I'm up to is Sunday, okay? I'm at the southern lookout point of the northern end of the Hakarimata Range. I'll put that name somewhere in this video. What I'm doing today is pretty crazy. Now I'm going to try run the entire range, the entire Hakarimata Range. I'll put a picture somewhere in this video of that place. Now usually you only do about 3/4 of it on the Te Trail. But today, yeah, I just thought I'd change it up and see if I can go all the way south, all the way to Waikato Road. It's supposed to take allegedly 6 hours. I'm aiming for about 5. Even crazy is I'm not carrying any food. I'm actually fasting today, so I fast once a week, as you folks know, teaching my body to fat adapt for the long trail run into the year. So it's going to be pretty interesting. I've only got about 2 litres worth of water, which is not bad. So there's some streams along this ridge line. I can try locate if I really need water. But yeah, check it out. So here's the south, and that's looking towards Hamilton. So yeah, apologies for the smoke as always, but yeah. No, I didn't go for my Friday long run, so I thought today maybe change it up and let's see if we can run the whole way, the whole range. I don't think anyone's done it before. I think they've only done from here to Brownlee Ave. I'll put that somewhere in this video too. So yeah, so running with this GH4 that I've got, so that'll be even more interesting. But yeah, got my full base weight. I'm carrying an extra layer just in case. I've got some lollies just with sugar to give me a little sugar pick me up. Other than that, yeah, just got water in, fasting today, so might fast tomorrow, see what happens. But yeah, I got my headlamp. I'm just going to see how long this takes. So come and join me for the journey. Yeah, there's going to be some rough and rugged, you know, running shots with this, like this. I apologise, but yeah, I just thought I'd change it up. Didn't want to take the GoPro because it's not good enough, to be honest, to my standards. Okay, so from the northern lookout, I'm about just under 3k in. Been on this track from the northern lookout and for about 45-50 minutes. So time-wise, I'm doing awesome, man. Just freakishly amazing. I'm starting to descend up and down again. I shouldn't be talking now because it's a real technical part, but no, I'm fine. So yeah, I got about 5k to the Brownlee Ave point. Okay, it's about another 5k, which I should get there. I'm gonna have a break, a short break. I stopped for a little water and just to get a GPS fix on gut hooks. See where I am. It's pretty muddy on the track, but it's all right. All good. So yeah, no, it's been good so far. Really good. A bit slippy, a bit technical, slower pace running. So I'm about 4.5k in now, okay? About 1.5 kilometers ago, I saw a group of ladies. They came from my end, okay? They came south a bit, past this junction, towards the next junction, and then turned back. They were just out for a little tramp for the day because they were bored, like me, so not quite as handy as me, but yeah, we had a little chat, had a little yarn. It's pretty good. Now, this junction we're on now, okay, a lot of people don't know this. This is Māori land, which seems a bit weird. It goes into this side of the bush and then to this side of that bush. But yeah, this is Māori land we're on now. So some of the folks I heard were camping here on the TA. Don't do that, okay? You know, no, it's not good. So yeah, feeling pretty good. Some of it was very technical, some of it was well, not technical than I remembered, but a lot slower place than I remembered. I haven't ran that part in ages. This part I do know fairly well. I haven't been up this end where this junction is in quite a while. Yeah, quite a while actually, about 2.5 years. So yeah, but having a good time. But yeah, I'm having a blast today. It's a good challenge. And there's a reason why I'm doing this, so stay tuned later in this video and I'll tell you guys why. We've got 3k to go, okay? It's only been about 20 minutes since I last saw you guys, so I've done about 1.4k in 20 minutes. So actually been sort of, some of it's been pretty easy from what I remembered running through the mud. But it's not bad, so I'm actually doing a really good time, eh? So I'm only up to nearly 2 hours on this track, and I made it pretty far in that time, so I'm definitely going to be smashing those times. Just thought I'd show you to get this. But yeah, no, it's been pretty good running. Yeah, no, just having fun. It's been doing good. This recce. You're probably wondering why I decided all of a sudden to just run the whole bridge. I'm doing a race recce. My plan is to scope this out, run/fast pack it a couple of times, and yeah. About 800 meters to the summit. So time wise I'm pretty good. I should get there in about 15 minutes. Just having a quick cigarette break. Yeah, it's pretty busy there at the summit, so just trying to avoid it at the moment. Have a quick stretch there and then keep going. I think I will do the whole traverse today. I still got plenty of time. I'll be running into the night. Not too late though. I'll be on my way down, so that's not too bad. But yeah, no, I'm having fun, having a blast. It's not actually taking that long. It's supposed to take 4.5 to 5 hours. Supposed to. It's not. This is like half walking, half running. So, but yeah, no, pretty good. Just at one of the second highest peaks on the northern side. We're at 349 elevation. But yeah, just having an awesome day, just awesome day. Alrighty folks, welcome back. So, I've gone pretty far, pretty fast. Brownlee Ave, okay. 1k from the summit, okay. It's Christian Youth Camp. Alrighty, back to the grader. Okay folks, so it's about 2.5k through the mud. Doing record time. Now we've got the graded stuff that's only 2.5k down, then on 1.7 to the road. So it's about 3, maybe 4k, but pretty much all we're doing is climbing up a bit. Okay, so we follow the steps up and then start heading down. Alright, welcome back. You guys know where I am. Down the southern end. It's the last descent. I've got last descent, so I'm pretty happy. It's about a k down and then 1.7k to the road. So, and then I still got to walk home. So, yeah, no. Otherwise, it's been a really good day. Really good day, and I set myself a personal best. Actually, to be quite honest, I think I've seen not like a major record, but I think it's pretty fast. I'll let you guys know my exact time once I get down. But yeah. Okay. So I am finished, but technically not. 4 hours, 32 minutes, folks. I mean, I can't get over it. Seriously, like, my mind's blown. Like, what the? But yeah, I've smashed those times. Completely smashed it. I don't think anyone's run it before. Maybe, maybe not. But 4.5 hours. A complete north to south 15k bush Ks. Not this. This is vanilla. I'm talking mud, I'm talking tree roots, I'm talking technical wares. 15k through there. 4 hours, 32 minutes. Like, I'm not bloating, I'm just like, fantastic. Like, that was freaking amazing. Like, 4 hours, 32 minutes. I can't get over that. That's freaking quick, man. That's super quick. But that was a good first attempt, eh? That was the first time I've actually done north to south completely. You do get people who tramp it, not often, but you do get people that tramp it. As I said, I saw some tramper ladies. Say hello. But they were at the morning. They didn't go as far as me. But yeah, no, it's just been like amazing, man. Like, I can't get over it. It says 7 hours, 7 to 10 hours, they reckon, right? Because they've got different hours, different signs. Like, say, 20 minutes that way, right? Back to the road. That sign will say 10 hours.